In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send plain text email in Mailchimp. By the end, you'll know exactly how to set up a clean, no-frills email that focuses entirely on your message, without any templates or heavy design elements. First, you'll want to start a new campaign. When you're logged into Mailchimp, look for the Create button or icon, usually near the top of your dashboard. Click that, then choose Email as the campaign type. Mailchimp will show you a few options here. Make sure you select plain text. This tells Mailchimp you want a simple, text-only email, which can feel more personal and often lands better in some inboxes. Next, you'll be asked to name your email. This is the internal campaign name that helps you stay organized inside your account. Give it something descriptive that you'll recognize later, then click Begin to move on. Now it's time to set your recipients. In the Recipients step, choose the audience you want to send this plain text email to. You can use your full list or narrow it down using a specific segment or group if you want to target certain subscribers. Once you've selected the correct audience, click Next to continue. In the Setup section, you'll fill in your key email details. Enter a clear campaign name if you want to adjust it, then add your email subject, which is what your subscribers will see in their inbox. You can also add preview text, the short line that appears next to the subject in many email clients, to give more context or tease the content. Then, set your From name, which is usually your personal name or your brand name, and your From email address. Make sure this address is one your subscribers recognize and trust. When everything looks good, click Next. Now you'll add your content. In the plain text step, you'll see some default placeholder text. Go ahead and delete that, then type or paste your own message directly into the editor. Keep paragraphs short and make sure it's easy to read. If you need to link to images, downloads, or other resources, open the Content Studio in Mailchimp, copy the source URLs for your files, and paste those links into your text where appropriate. Before sending, use the preview and test options. You can see how your email will look and send a test message to yourself or a teammate to check formatting, links, and spelling. Finally, head to the Confirm step. Review Mailchimp's checklist, fix any issues it flags, and when everything is ready, click Send to deliver your email right away, or schedule it to go out at a specific time.